How are we doing, guys? So I bought some lights from a Jaguar F-Type. They call them the puddle lights or courtesy lights. You know, the lights that when you open your doors, they project at the bottom, illuminate the kind of immediate area before you go in. These ones here actually project the Jaguar logo on the car, on the floor rather. So just adds a little bit of difference to it. Ordered these on eBay. They were £15 or thereabouts, English money, £15. Took about 10 days to arrive. They came all the way from China. So this is the box. Do a little unboxing, and then we do a little installation and fit in and see how they go, really. So the box is here, 3D shadow light. Hopefully you can see that. I've got my new setups on today, my new cameras, Insta360. So hopefully you can see that clearly. 3D shadow light, it says, open special is different. Door lights upgrade parts. In English, it doesn't actually make sense. So on the back, what does it say here? It says, one, LED new energy, energy saving and environmental protection and low consumption lighting. Two, dedicated car, easy installation, no need to change the vehicle. I hope I haven't got to change my car just to fit a set of puddle lights. But anyway, 3D laser, a stronger visual senses, more dynamic and more stylish. Anyway, written in the best Chinglish, as you can see. So let's open the box up and see inside here what's inside the box. We've got installation steps by the looks of it. It says, find the lamp. Pry out the original door lamp from the direction of the slot. Then 2, pull out the original door light and unplug. And 3, replace our welcome light directly. Install the light back and the installation is complete. And we've also got it on the back in what looks like German. Okay, so they're the instructions for that. So inside the box, the rest of the box is empty. Little bag with 2 lights and some cables by the looks of it. So let's get this bag open. Doesn't help when you've got sausage fingers, but anyway, there we go. So, lights here and connections. Put that over out of the way. So there's the light. Looks quite nice. Looks, I mean, I hate to say it looks well made, but it's just a bit of plastic, really. I'm not really sure how unwell you can make a bit of plastic, but it's what it is, bit of plastic. And you can see there the little projection part that projects the light. Ideally, in theory, it should sort of project the light down on the floor and display a Jaguar logo on the floor. So there it is there. Assumingly that is the connection for that. Yeah, if that needs to go into here, is it? No, or is it this way around? No, interesting. Not quite sure what that is then. No, well, I would have assumed that would have gone in there, but clearly not. This might have to be an adapter that goes on the car, maybe. So we'll soon find out. But anyway, enough of the unboxing. That's the unboxing part of these lights done. Let's crack on and go and install it into the car. All right. So let's crack on with this install. Hopefully you can see and hear with these camera angles. But just to begin with, I've got the little cable adapters, whatever you might want to call them. The lights, I've got them here. But you can see under here, this is the original puddle light that comes with a car. Got some trim removal tools. Ideally use plastic and not a screwdriver because you don't want to scratch anything already. So got these here as well. Try and remove, oh, as long as I don't fall over. These in here, there we go, there's a little groove just in here. Just pop that out. Don't know if you can see that there, that's out. There's a little cable just behind that there. seems quite stiff. It seems to be. There we go. So that's out. That's that one out. That's the old one, or the original one, and that is the new replacement one. It should just go straight in. There's the two there. Let's see the two different ones there. Let's pop this back into here. So you can see the grooves. That can only go in one way. Oh, and already, yeah, you can see that projecting. Hopefully you can see that projecting on my hand. That's probably the most simplest mod in the world, surely. Right, but that Jaguar is back to front. So I'm going to swap that for the other side. It doesn't say on here which one's which, but assumingly this one should display it the right way when you open the door, I would imagine. Yeah, there we go. So that now projects down onto the floor as you open the door. Oh, actually, this doesn't look like it fits. Let's have a look. The old one and the new one. Why doesn't that fit? Why does that? It looks to be the same size. Am I missing something obvious here? No. Oh, here we go. No, it's just me being stupid. There was a little groove in here that didn't quite get into place, so there you go, that projects on that side. Right, so now I'm going to go and fit the other side, and then obviously wait till it gets dark so that you can see what it looks like in the evening time. So anyway, hopefully that was useful, that installation part. Hopefully the bit after this will be it projecting on the floor so you can see what that's like too. Right, let's see what this is like over night time. This new puddle light. So we'll unlock the car. Obviously the car has its natural courtesy lights front and by the door handles just here. Let's open it up and see what it's like. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Yeah, happy with that. There it is, that's the one that's in there already. And there it is there, look. Jaguar. Nice.